Welcome to our tutorial about hiding and showing components. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to hide and show components and lines in our drawings. First, let me expand Drawing View 2 in my tree. Let's right-click on the plane and select Hide Behind Plane. In this dialog window, we can reverse the direction shown by this yellow arrow. We can set the distance. Components that are completely behind the plane will be hidden. Let's click OK. As you can see, the components we selected disappeared. There's another way to do this. Let's right-click, select Properties. Go to the Hide Show Components tab. Let's clear the selections out of this window with a right-click, Clear Selections. Apply. Or I can simply select Components to hide, and then click Apply and OK. Now I'm going to right-click on the front view, Properties. Go to the Show Hidden Edges tab. Let's select the rotor. We click Apply. Now let's go to the Hide Show Components tab. And I'm going to expand Drawing View 1. Let's select the base, click Apply and OK. By the way, in order to utilize the Hide Show options we've gone over here, the display style has to be Hidden Lines Removed. Otherwise, we're going to receive a warning message. Let's check that out. Properties. Let's go to Show Hidden Edges. Select the rotor. Apply. We get our error message. Changes to Show Hidden Edges won't be visible since the drawing view is not in Hidden Lines Removed. Do we want to switch? Yes. And click OK. And this concludes our tutorial about hiding and showing components and edges.